Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, and don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okay, today we have the classic American diner burger. It's real easy to do. First thing we got to do is make the sauce. So, to a deli container, I have added 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. And then to our spices, it consists of 2 teaspoons of white sugar, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm also adding roughly about 2 tablespoons of relish to this. And then I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of red wine vinegar. You could do white wine vinegar or apple cider vinegar or just regular vinegar if you prefer, but I decided to go with some red wine vinegar. And then about a tablespoon of yellow mustard. And then just grab a whisk and mix everything around till everything is nice and well combined. Should be looking for something a little bit like that. And then we got some 3rd pound patties. I'm just using that burger seasoning mix from my local grocery store that I like so much. And then we'll give these about 4 to 5 minutes aside. And then we'll top them with the cheese of choice. And should be ready for the next step. And as you can see here, burger's done. Little nice thing of Colby Jack cheese. Little water just to create some steam. Cover. And let's let the cheese melt. Okay, now we got our griddle all nice and buttered up. It's time to toast our buns. Again, you could apply the butter to the buns. I just think this technique works a little bit better. And give these a couple of minutes to toast up. Okay, I decided to keep the finished product of this burger really simple. You just have a simple bun, a simple patty with its melted cheese, pickles, because as I've often said, if a burger doesn't have pickles on it, it's probably going to be garbage. Then you just want to take that sauce that we made, put that on the top bun, good generous amount of it, and then just pop it on top. And that's it. Classic American diner burger. Done.